27 from the downtown Babawi. Sormis para kay Fuentes. Leonardo, there's a receiving of the ball, bringing out the leader. Pass down to Valencia. Valencia with the speed. Pass down to Capenas. Baseline. Pass down to the Mariano. Into the shoot. That's the number 24, Sampang, dribbling on the ball. Sampang with it to creating. Sampang with the isolation play. Then the shoot. Fuentes on the dribble. Pass to number 26, Fajardo. Fajardo inside. Puts it up the hood. Leonardo on the dribbling pass to number 15, Cardenas. Castillo on the receiving the ball. Pass to Valencia. Valencia with the dribbling. Dapat ito number 16. Shot lang. Then the shoot. Pass to Cardenas. Puts it up the top. Sampang. Del Luna. Pass to Fajardo. Off the glass and score. Just in the way, Valencia. Pass to number 26, De Mariano. De Mariano with the speed. Puts it up the hood. Del Luna. Pass to Fajardo. All alone. Off the glass again. Anim na puntos na si Fajardo. Castillo on the ball. Pass again to number 26, Leonardo. Leonardo with the ball. Leonardo with the ball again to Fuentes cross on the timeline. Fuentes going over ball. Pass again to number 24, Sampang. Pass again back to De Luna. Pass to number 24, then to shoot. Sampang. Pass again to Fuentes. One of the three. No good. And remove by the ball. De Mariano. De Mariano on the way. Post to post of De Mariano. Pass to Leonardo from the downtown. No good. And the Pass to Fuentes again, it's set up the play to number 24, Sampang with the ball. Sampang, pass to Fajardo with the speed. Fajardo double push, number 27, and the mid-range jumper there. Dribble again, with Fajardo, dribble again ni Castillo. Castillo, pass again to Valencia. Valencia all the way to score. Just 17 number 27, pass sa ilalim, bad pass again, check yan yung Castillo. Valencia all the way again.
Huli na! Hati na!
Kasi hindi yung mga Fajardo with the dribbling. Pass again back to number 24, Sampang with the on the driving scene inside, no good. Pass to number Castillo, number 10, no good. Dribble, naman sa kamay. Agawan sila. To Leonardo again, wala pa rin.
Gian!
Del Luna. Pass again, Busa, wide open. No good, para kay Busa, first attempt niya. Sinusukat para na rin Valencia all the way. Valencia, umupunta sa area. And he gets to play for the first quarter.
Open!
Apiasa to, Castillo for the rebound. No good, rebound. No good, ni Fajardo. Fajardo giving it again to Fuentes. Fuentes, tatakbo, wala na mga puti. Fuentes, gagawa ng kwento all the way. Yes, sir! Apiasa on the dribbling. Pass on into Valencia. Valencia susugat. Valencia, Valencia. He's over receiving. Pass on into De Luna. De Luna, give it again to Busa. Wide open for the three. Busa, Cardenas, pass to Chaudhry. Jersey number 21, Fajardo, center. De Los Santos, pass again to Fuentes for the three. First quarter. The lead is down to win. Isa na lang malamaan ang street. Pass again to De Mariano. Big again ni De Mariano. Pass to Valencia. Valencia inside. Ayun ang physical. With the play. De Los Santos in Cross pass in done. Ewan po kasama si Busan. No. And a ball back again. Wala na luta going into the finals. Chelsea na Romana, Piazza. Piazza ang Chelsea na Romana, Piazza. Piazza ang ginagawa to Valencia. Valencia with the screen. Valencia on the way. Pass kick to labas. Sasabay. Temariano. Temariano puts it off. The number 27, Fuentes. Fuentes on the move. Fuentes in the elbow jumper. No good. Rebound. Nakukuha ni Police. Pass na again to Piazza. Piazza ang ginagawa to Valencia. Valencia with the isolation play. Pass to Taparas. What a play! Magic Budo.
Pasok tayo.
10 to shoot. Del Santos going over 4. Pass back into 5 to shoot. Pass back into Pajado. Pajado, goal fake. Pajado 3 to shoot. Puts it up. Yes, sir. Off the glass. Just sit up 24 receiving the ball. Saban, pass again to Del Santos to Pajado. Holy pass out of the top. 8 to shoot. To Musa Moratay. Oh, good. Rebound again is Sampang. Sampang on the free throw line. Rebound again to Mariano. The Mariano pick. Just sit number 24. Number 24, Sampang all the way. Kick out to labas. Musa na ayaw ng bukas. Back again to Sampang. Pass on number 23. Del Santos na good. And rebound again to pass again to 24. Pass to Musa again. Moratay. No good pa rin. Para shoot. 3-point shoot out na. Kabakan Musa.
Sige na.
Temariano on the way. Goes to the basket. Temariano. You got it. Valencia pasa a para ali. Empieza a cantar swing. Pasa. Fuentes. Fuentes en el control. That's the number 24. Sampang. With the impo play. Pass back into Sampang. Sampang number just number 24. 10 to shoot. Pass to De Luna for 3. Bang! De Luna to Sampang. Cadenas number 4 again to Piazza. To Caparas for 3. Good. Rebound. Number 24. Number 24 with the center of base. Sampang again. Kick out to the boss. So De Luna once again. No good. Rebound again. Adil lagi bilang tentang berhenti. Cardenas. Oh, liberty. Number 13. Kick out to the boss. Musa again. For a 3. Bang! Musa ball. Dison na power move. Umangat si Dison no good. Kaya rebound again. Makukuha ni Mendoza on the running pass. Napakas. For a 3. Musa Babae, yes sir, for a 3-point!
Yan na. Isa pa lang ba? Isa pa lang nakatama ko.
Around the play, pass to De Luna, kick goes away to Musa, pass back to the number 27. Number 27 with the isolation play. Number 27, the motor is no good. Dison, saving the ball. Number 60, yes, number 13, Bison. Oh, God. Number 27, opposite again. Fuentes all the way, pass to Fuentes. Fuentes, yes, sir, good to Fuentes. Pass again. Catillo all the way, puts it out to Guterres. Wala pa, malas naman ni Catillo man. Sa punang kinilo mo, nakapasok niya ang driving. Catillo on the running. Catillo pa rin. Ilabing isang steer na yan. Pakidalo, pumasok na rin. Isolation play, paso na lang itong Busa. Puso to Fuentes. Pero, dribble yan to Mariano. Mariano, Villa pass. to Valencia. Valencia for a three. No, rebound again. Tapping in the ball on the Fuentes. Fuentes give it again to Fuentes. For the Casin. Fuentes, bring Fuentes. On the baseline, nalalo to Pahata. Agawa sa mga ng Busa. Busa for three. Busa for two. De Los Santos with the play. De Los Santos on the ball. De Los Santos with the covers there. Yes, to Valencia. Valencia for the corner. No good. Rebound again ni Bisan. Bisan level number 4. Passing again to Fuentes. Fuentes on the running. Fuentes all the way. Passing again. Rebound again to Cardenas. Cardenas on the ball. And the post to goals. The third on the glass. Kasama pa foul. Bonus shot. Sigan. Pass to Castillo all the way. No good. And the second foul shot is good. Para kay Castillo. Set time up tonight. Just in front of Busa. Busa para touchdown. Ayun, tira ni Busa. Pass to again number 13. Number 13 giving again to number 15. Cardenas. Cardenas for a three. No good. Good shot para kay number 15. Valencia on the ball. Valencia. Labang kay Napahato. 10 to shoot. 8 to shoot. Pass to Castillo for a three. Number 24 pass again to number 27. Number 27, number 4 update. Pass to number 26. To number 10 to shoot. Pahato all the way. No good. Malakas ang tira. Pass again to Cardenas. Cardenas on the way. On the running. Cardenas on the move. No good. And Puli is out. The glass is scored. Positivo yan. Force ang tamba. Maganda nakakasot. Valencia. Oh, difficult shot. No good. Valencia parang nakakuha ng bola. Valencia nalabas na konti. Valencia with the ball. Valencia cross pass to number 15. Castillo, 8 to shoot. Castillo, up and away. No good. Puso na pa kay Negro pa rin. Ayan, riba na galis na. Yes, number 27. Crossing again to Sampa. No good. And the pull back. No good pa rin kay Dizon. Isa pa kay Dizon. Sige pa. Pakita sila pa. Si number 7. Hindi na set, sorry. For play, no good. Riba again ni Sampa. Sampa on the way. And score para kay Sampa. Valencia with the ball with the setter on the play. Valencia, ikot sa labas kay Cardenas. Cardenas, ikot sa labas. Castillo once again. No good. To number 15, yes sir. Just number 15, Cardenas all the way. On the glass and score. Ang sarap na sa tatanan. 27, yes sir. That's for the rebound. Best niya. Pero magaling talaga. Oh, best player ka namin yun eh. Sayang lang. Oh, police and good for police. Bakit pa palitan yung nakakashoot? The number 27. Number 27 from the center floaters in top shot. Isa pa kay Fuentes. Malakas ang tira ng Fuentes. Turbo na kaya ni Cardenas. Cardenas on the move. Cardenas in going to the basket and score. Alec na. De Los Santos for a three, sir. De Los Santos for a three.
Tara, boy!
Valencia on the ball. Valencia. Titira yan. Pasa na magting. Castillo for a three. No good pa rin.